Most people stick with the default charts in PowerPoint, but today I'll show you how to create a dynamic bar chart like this, where values rise up smoothly and blend perfectly with images and text. To start building our charts, we need 3 layers: a simple background, bar charts, and then a mask shape layer. Let's start with building a mask shape layer. Let's draw a rectangle from Insert tab to cover the entire slide. Then place this rounded rectangle here. Now adjust height and width from size. Move this yellow handle to adjust the corner radius, and after that hold Ctrl and drag the shape 3 times. First select the big rectangle and then select these 4. Now in Format Shape, Merge Shape, Subtract, and remove its outline. Now you've got a mask with 4 cutouts where the bar will appear later. Draw another rectangle from Insert tab as a background layer and send it to back. Now change its color and remove its outline. Again, choose rectangle from Insert tab to create the bar charts. Draw it here, and to make it more attractive, right-click on it and edit its point like a wave. You can use these wide handles and make 3 copies of it. Select them and from Format Shape, remove their outline, align them to the middle, and group them. Then right-click on a group shape and select Format Shape to change the color and transparency to 50%. Now from Selection pane, move Group Shape between 2 other layers that I explained before. Now copy it 3 times and fill the other empty hole, and again put them between 2 layers. At this point, all bars have the same height, but later we'll adjust them according to the data values. To make this slide more engaging, insert an image via Insert, Icons, and Images. Search what you want. For example, here I want yoga, and then insert it. Move the picture to the left side and send it to the back from Selection pane. Gradient will make your slides awesome. Select the mask and from Format Shape, Fill, Gradient Fill. And then choose the vertical direction and change the spot's color to white. I want to change the transparency of this spot 100%, so the image underneath softly appears through the mask. Adjust other spots. In this part, for making the chart more realistic, add axis label using text box and then duplicate the first slide to create 3 more copies. Right-click on picture, choose Change Picture and choose one option. Change each slide pictures considering the style of your slides. Make this change to all 3 other slides. In this part, I want to add text including titles, bar charts details, and values, one by one. Rise and lower the bars based on their values like this. Then do this to other slides. Now it's time to bring the charts to life. Add a new slide at the beginning, then copy titles from each slide and place them off screen. Like this, because this action helps our morph transition to move between slides smooth and clean. Also, copy these 3 chart layers from second slide and paste it to the first. Select bars, align them to the center from Format Shape, and send them off screen. Then change the color of background layer to hide it. Now insert the picture. Then select all of the slides and in Transition tab, choose Morph. And that's it, a fully animated bar chart that updates data step by step, just with Morph animation and a little creativity. This technique will instantly upgrade your presentation. Thank you so much. Try this technique and don't forget to subscribe, smash like, and comment below. Next week, next trick.